The story of Phantom Secure is a real-life high-tech thriller about the rise and fall of a man who built a digital fortress for the world's most dangerous criminals. The Architect of Silence. The story begins with a man named Vincent Ramos from Vancouver, Canada. In the early 2010s, Ramos realized that while the world was moving towards smartphones, the world's most powerful criminals, drug cartels, hitmen, and money launderers had a massive problem: the police. Traditional phones had GPS, cameras, and microphones that could be hacked or tracked. Ramos decided to fix this by launching Phantom Secure, the unbreakable phone. Ramos didn't build a new phone from scratch, he took high-end BlackBerry devices and completely gutted them. Hardware. He physically removed the cameras, microphones, and GPS chips. Software. He wiped the operating system and installed a private, encrypted email service. The network. The messages didn't go through public servers. They went through Ramos's own private servers located in safe countries like Panama and Hong Kong. Ramos's biggest selling point was the kill switch. If a client was arrested, they would contact Ramos, and he would remotely wipe the phone clean, leaving the police with zero evidence. Becoming the underworld's tech support. Word spread quickly. Soon, the infamous Sinaloa cartel in Mexico and biker gangs in Australia were buying these phones by the thousands. Each phone cost between $2,000 and $3,000 for a 6-month subscription. Ramos wasn't just a businessman anymore. He was the tech support guy for the global drug trade. He reportedly made over $80 million and lived a life of luxury with fast cars and mansions. The FBI's sting operation. The FBI and the Australian Federal Police (AFP) were frustrated. They were catching drug smugglers, but they couldn't read their messages. They realized Phantom Secure was the common link. To catch Ramos, the FBI used a Trojan horse strategy. They sent undercover agents posing as high-level drug traffickers to meet Ramos in Las Vegas. They told him, "We need these phones to coordinate large shipments of cocaine." Ramos, feeling untouchable, replied, "We made it specifically for this. It's built for your business." This was the smoking gun. The FBI now had proof that Ramos wasn't just selling privacy, he was knowingly aiding international drug trafficking. The takedown. In March 2018, the trap snapped shut. Vincent Ramos was arrested while eating at a restaurant in Washington state. At the same time, authorities across the globe seized his servers, instantly blinding thousands of criminals who relied on the network. In 2019, Ramos was sentenced to 9 years in federal prison. He was also forced to forfeit $80 million in assets. The aftermath. A genius trap. The fall of Phantom Secure left a vacuum in the underworld. Criminals were desperate for a new secure phone. Seeing this opportunity, the FBI did something legendary. They created their own secret encrypted phone company called ANOM. For the next few years, criminals unknowingly used phones run by the FBI, leading to one of the biggest global busts in history, Operation Trojan Shield.